Hello dear friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video session, I am going to discuss with you about the MSc Geoinformatic course. So today I am going to discuss with you about the MSc Geoinformatic course for the academic year 2021 and 2022. Okay, so here you can able to see the official notification from Savitribai Phule Pune University, which is located in Pune city of Maharashtra, and it is a very famous university for this particular course, and there are some other universities also, but right now this notification is only about the online entrance exam for MSc Geoinformatic course, which is held by Department of Geography in Savitribai Phule Pune University. Okay, so this notification is about all the postgraduate, graduate, and integrated or interdisciplinary courses of Pune University. Okay, but I am only going to discuss about the MSc Geoinformatic course. Okay, so for this course, you have to crack the entrance examination, which is held for the admission in academic year 2021-2022 for the course MSc Geoinformatics. Okay, so you have to give the online examination, which consists of a single online paper with two different sections. So first section is about the general knowledge, aptitude, logic, and comprehension, which consists of 20 marks, and the section B of the same online exam is about the subject specific questions, which held for 80 marks. Okay, so you have to appear for both the sections, and the total marks for this 1 hour examination is 100. Okay, and there is a one third negative marking if you make a wrong answer, okay, for any particular question, right? So this is about the exam. Here you can able to see the exam schedule and when the online entrance exam will be conducted. Okay, here you can able to see the application filling date for online entrance exam, which starts from 14th of June 2021. Okay, and last date for filling online application is 4th of July 2021. If you can't able to fill the form within this stipulated time period, then you can able to fill the application form with late fee. Okay, and the date for online application with late fee is 10th of July 2021. Okay, schedule of online entrance examination will be displayed by the Savitribai Phule Pune University, and duration of the online entrance exam is 1 hour, including both the sections. Okay, so friends, this is all about the schedule and conduct of online entrance examination. Then let's take the eligibility of the course, which is given in annexure 1. Okay, before that, let's see the reservation policy. So as per Government of India, whatever reservations are there for different categories, they are applicable here also, and 30% seats are reserved for female candidates. So this thing you have to remember over here. So female candidate have the additional benefit of this particular reservation. Okay, then here you can able to see the processing fee and mode of payment. For the general category candidate, the online application fee for the online entrance exam is rupees 500. For the candidate belong to the reserve categories like OBC, SC, ST, and different categories, they have to pay rupees 350. Okay, and if you are candidate applying with a late fee, then the fee for all the categories is same, that is 750 rupees. Okay, so first of all, you have to visit this particular official website of Savitribai Phule Pune University, and you have to register yourself. You will get the login ID and password. Okay, and after getting login ID and password, you can able to apply for MSc Geoinformatic course. So MSc Geoinformatic course comes under the Department of Geography, as you can see over here. Okay, so this is MSc Geoinformatic course. It is a 2 year degree course. Okay, it's a master degree course. This particular course will absorb 30 students each year, so their intake capacity is 30 students. And here you can able to see the eligibility criteria, that is the students who have already done the BSc or BSc Agri, then BA in mathematics or statistics, Bachelor of Engineering, then BTech, Bachelor of Technology, Bachelor of Architecture, Bachelor of Arts from Geography. Okay, with PGBSc, postgraduate BSc in Applied GIS and Remote Sensing. Okay, you should have BA Geography with PGBSc in Remote Sensing and GIS. Then and then only you can apply for MSc Geoinformatics if you belong to arts background, okay, means bachelor of arts in geography background, okay, then MA geography, then bachelor degree in computer science application or management with minimum 50% marks for open category, means the general candidate, and 45% marks for the reserve category candidate. So this is the criteria for eligibility for this particular course, MSc Geoinformatics. And here you can able to see the PGBSc course also. So it's a postgraduate BSc in applied GIS and remote sensing, okay. So here you can able to see again intake is 30, and if you are a MA geography student and if you have done this PGBSc course which has a duration of 1 year, okay, then and then only you can apply for this MSc Geoinformatic course, okay. I hope guys it is clear to you about this particular course. If you have any doubt, do comment below, okay. And most probably this particular online exam will be held at the end of July, or just in the beginning of August month, okay. So be ready for this particular exam if you want to take admission for MSc Geoinformatics in the Savitribai Phule Pune University. So guys, if you find this session useful, then do like the session, share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more such a informative video. Thank you and have a great day. See you soon in our next class.